Do you want to learn how to use a Sony ZV1 camera?
Yes, I do.
Well, you're in luck, because we know how to. I'm Darlene,
And I'm Renat.
and we're going to show you how to use the Sony ZV1 camera. This is the Sony ZV1 camera. To start, there's a button labeled on or off, which turns the camera on or off. If you want to attach the microphone, there's a plastic part that you should slide out, and with the microphone, all you have to do is slide the plastic part into the camera. If you press the on or off button, you'll see the camera start to extend out. And all you have to do is flip open the screen, and there's a button that's also labeled Mode. If you press that button, there will be a bunch of modes that pop up on screen. We suggest to use the mode Intelligent Auto for taking pictures and recording videos. Now if you press that, there is a black button on top that you can press that will take a picture and focus the camera. And there is also a button with a red circle on it that if you press it, it starts recording. When it starts recording, there's a red light and it also says REC when you record. If you press it again, it stops recording. If you want to delete the video, you have to press the trash can button and delete. And yeah, that's it. Bye! Well, that's all for today. I hope you've learned something from this video.
If you want to learn more about Sony ZV1 cameras, you can go check out these YouTube channels.
The channels are called Sony Alpha Lab and Think Media. Well, that's all for today.
Bye!
Bye!